Hi everyone, welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We will talk about
a guide to Earth's
mightiest shakes part 2. So Nepal earthquake part 2. Let's go. So cause of an earthquake. So earlier we explained in another video that what caused the earthquake. So basically it's two plates when they move and slide.
Okay, we're gonna do that.
Yeah, and then we explain in that video, so it's okay. We can just read that.
An earthquake is what happens when two plates of the Earth suddenly slip past one
another.
Okay,
let's go next slide. So the Earth has many plates. So what are the main? So highlighted 7 major plates. What are the 7 major plates here? Can you highlight, Lina?
Yep.
I can see some plates here.
Okay, so I'm just gonna circle the biggest ones, not all of these.
Okay.
So
Eurasian plate.
It's really big.
Yeah. North American plate.
Yeah, this is actually where we live.
Yeah, faster, Lina. Yeah. African plate. Pacific.
I think Pacific plate is the biggest because it goes for a whole side.
Yeah, Australian plate, Antarctica, South America. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There you go. So move to the next, please. So how much plates moves? We're gonna explain you how much moves plates in different sections.
The North American plate moves around 1 to 2 centimeters per year, relative
to the Eurasian plate.
Yeah.
So here, North American plate and Eurasian plate, every year they move 1 to 2 centimeters.
And why it has Eurasian plate here and there? Because this is a close-up camera. That's why it goes all around, but it's actually not going all around.
Yeah.
Like the Pacific plate. What? It's so small.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Okay. So yeah, and let's see next.
Yeah.
So now there is a
circle these. So this is good. This is 1 cm. I made a centimeter project, so if you want to see that, you can. So 1 centimeter, right there. Then
that one is also.
You don't need to do that. Then.
So what these are these plates? Pacific and South African plates, 1 centimeter.
That is not Pacific. That's
Nazca plate
and South American plate. And then
what are these two?
There's only one on that one.
Yeah.
That's North American plate.
Eurasian and Pacific.
We will feel a little bit because that's where Canada is.
That's huge, 9 centimeter.
Yeah.
And I think
you see the difference. Small, big.
And there where Japan is there. That's why Japan is always here around here somewhere.
Oh.
Yeah, so they have an earthquake every day, almost every day in Japan. Yeah.
Oh, like I watched a video about Japan and like there's like a big thunderstorm.
Yeah.
And it's flooded a little bit.
Okay, let's move on.
Okay.
Next one. That's also 1 centimeter.
Yeah, and
kind of
7 centimeters.
That's so huge. Yeah.
Yep. 4
Australian
centimeter.
4 centimeter. Wow.
Then it's there.
1 centimeter and another 1 centimeter. So those are the
many
scales.
over here. Oh, 9 centimeter again.
That's big.
This next one.
Okay, so where is actually Nepal? Where we can find Nepal? Yeah, you can check. Nepal lies on the boundary between the Indian plate and the Eurasian plate.
So right here. You see the Indian plate?
Yeah.
Look at this one.
Yeah. So Nepal is near India. So what happened there?
Well, it's a little bit part of China.
China is also the neighbor.
It's a lot part of India.
Yeah. So how much centimeters earthquake goes there? Let's move on.
Where is Nepal
Keep
again?
moving. Yeah.
We continue.
Yeah, where's Nepal? So the Indian plate is moving towards the northeast at a rate of about 4 to 6 centimeter per
So
year
I think this is
relative to Eurasian plate.
So this is the north, so it's going that way. Yeah, so it's going northeast. Not east.
Okay, anyway,
Northeast.
Lina, so that's dangerous there because
Yeah.
it moves 4 to 6 centimeter every year.
Year.
Yeah, 1 centimeter is okay.
But then
Yeah.
we went 2 years ago.
Yeah,
But
but
it did not happen.
you cannot find. It's very rare. Okay,
What?
let's move. Keep
What?
moving.
What?
So epicenter. Normally they talk about when it's an earthquake. They ask you where's the epicenter. So what
right
that
there
mean?
In Jajadakot.
So Jajalkot was the epicenter. What that mean actually?
That's where the earthquake happened.
Yeah. So if you see in the picture, Lina, we can see the picture also. There is a point here.
Yeah, and if you go right up,
Yeah.
it goes to the epicenter.
Yeah. So there is a shake happen. So you see the round circle.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then they just inside there, and then when you go up in the surface where it touch, it's called the epicenter. Let's see the definition. The point on the surface. Read please.
Where directly above where the earthquake starts is
Called the epicenter.
Yeah.
The closer you are to the epicenter, the stronger the shake.
Yeah,
You
our
will
family is somewhere over here, so
Yeah.
they don't feel anything, just a little bit.
Okay, let's move to the next slide.
With this.
So Nepal earthquakes 3rd November 2023 continue. So it happened in the Jajalkot. How many people died, Lina?
Over 150.
Yeah, and when it happened? When
It
everybody
happened
was
close to midnight. Close
everybody
to
was
12
sleeping
o'clock.
that time, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and what was the magnitude?
And then the earthquake disrupted them, like interrupted them, their sleep, right?
Yeah. So the 6.4 magnitude was there. Okay, next slide, please.
We need to read this.
Yeah, we read it already. That's okay. Next
Oh.
slide. How to measure earthquake? So how to measure earthquake? Good question.
This is called
Richter
Richter's
scale.
scale.
It has from
Richter,
2
from
to
2
8.
to 8. There's no, so it's basically 7 because there's no 1.
So if there is a Richter scale 2, that means less.
Usually not felt, but can be recorded by
seismograph.
Yeah, and then
then
minor is 3.
3. So is this the same thing like number 2?
Yeah, often felt, but only because causes minor damage.
So 4 to 5 is a light. It's
Yes.
called minor damage. So
And
when
also no, minor there.
yeah,
4 to 3 is called minor damage.
all right. So 5 to 6. Then 4 to 5 is light. 5 to 6 is moderate. Moderate is like a slight damage to building. And 6 to 7 is strong.
Yeah,
like what happened in Nepal.
Then 8 is great and major. That means a
Dangerous.
lot.
It's lot. Yeah, one time it
I
happened
can't
in
even
Nepal.
see this.
Lina, in 2015, it happened in Nepal.
2015.
Yes.
That's when I was born.
Yeah, it was really bad. Lots of people lost their life. So we measure earthquake using something scale called Richter scale. A magnitude of 3, you read, Lina?
Is a tiny
Tremor. But a magnitude 7
can cause buildings
to collapse.
So like this is part of the building. Like you know how you have wooden piece karate choppers, cut it in half.
Yeah.
It's like
There
that.
you go. Let's move to the next slide. So safety during earthquake. What safety we can keep in our mind?
So it's just like fire. Draw Stop, drop, roll to a table underneath the table.
So it's drop, cover, and hold on.
Yeah, but mine was way better.
So when you feel the earthquake, you have to drop and cover and hold on.
Yeah, but that you have to do the fire when there's a earthquake.
Yeah, that's the fire.
You have to do both. So stop, drop, roll to a desk.
Yeah, go under the table.
No, that's what I mean. Roll to a desk.
Roll to the desk. Yeah.
And stay down.
And why we need to go to roll, Lena? Why we need to go under the table?
So that nothing will fall on us. The glass might break our heads.
Yeah.
And then we could die.
Empty space, right? It's better, and it's even better when there is no building. You go in the empty area.
Yeah, that's very better.
Yeah. Okay, get down to the ground, take cover under something sturdy like a table and hold on
Or
until
closet.
the shaking stops. This helps protect you from falling objects.
Yep.
Okay, next slide.
Drop, cover.
Nice picture. So conclusion, what we learned today, Lena, about the earthquake? Lots of things, lots of information, right?
So we learned about Nepal, where it is.
Yeah.
And then we also learned about how to stay safe.
And the plates,
Yep.
the 7 major plates, and the centimeters.
We also learned how they kept under this.
And then how Nepal is so dangerous. Yeah, Nepal is in dangerous plate.
Yeah,
because
nice
it's
to
moved
know
from every year, moving from 4 to 6 centimeter.
Yeah.
It's really bad. And then we'll also learn about the magnitude, right? Richter scale. So how the different scales cause the different problem. Let's see what is in our conclusion here. Earthquakes are a natural part of our planet's movement. While they cause, we read that. While they can be scary, understanding them helps us prepare. There you go. You're done.
Stay curious, stay safe.
And keep exploring our shaking world. Okay, thank you. Next slide. Thank you very much. Bye. Have a good day.